This is good. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Grace, an aspiring nutritionist who is on a journey to help you and me live a healthier and simple life. And today I'll just be sharing with you a simple, gut-friendly smoothie bowl that can actually help your hormones. If you have PCOS, it's also good for you. And not just PCOS, if you usually feel bloated and you're looking for easy breakfast recipe, not too heavy, something light that you can use to start your day, then this recipe is also for you. Well, I'm also a PCOS person too, so I'm always looking for ways to balance my meals, ways to eat better as well. I also have PCOS, but well, that's going to be another story for another day. On this video today, I just want to share this recipe with you and I hope you enjoy it too. So firstly, I added some yogurt in a bowl, which are natural probiotics and they help balance gut bacteria. Then I added some chopped cucumbers, which are super hydrating. Soaked chia seeds, which contain healthy fats and fiber. Some cinnamons to help manage blood sugar levels. Some pear apples for natural fiber. You can also use normal apples too. Chopped mint leaves to freshen things up and can also help with bloating, and then some honey for sweetener. Mix everything well together and voila, you have just made yourself a very gut-friendly yogurt bowl. So you serve the quantity you need and then you store the rest in the fridge for the next day. Now let's test it together. This is good. This recipe is super refreshing. It has natural fiber, probiotics. It's just so good. It's that good for your gut health. If you want to eat something more lighter and you wouldn't feel heavy, but you feel refreshing and full, try this and thank me later. Just try it. Bye. Well, for more, if you want me to be posting more recipes like this, please hit the subscribe button, comment, and you'll be seeing more of me. So bye. Bye bye. Let me go and enjoy.